Performing a push-up with proper form is crucial to prevent injury and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do a perfect push-up. 1. Starting position. Begin in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, wrists directly under your shoulders, and fingers pointing forward or slightly outward. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core and glutes to maintain stability. 2. Descent. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping them at a 45-degree angle to your torso. Maintain a controlled movement, allowing your chest to come within a few inches of the floor. 3. Maintain alignment. Keep your head in a neutral position, looking slightly ahead of you, to maintain a straight line from your neck to your spine. Ensure that your hips do not sag towards the ground or lift up too high. 4. Ascent. Push through your palms and extend your elbows to return to the starting position. Keep your body straight throughout the movement, engaging your core and maintaining proper form. 5. Breathing. Inhale as you lower your body towards the ground. Exhale as you push back up to the starting position. 6. Modification. If the full push-up is challenging, you can modify by performing the exercise on your knees while maintaining proper alignment and form. 7. Repetitions and sets. Aim to perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, or adjust the number of repetitions based on your fitness level and goals. It is important to prioritize proper form over the number of repetitions. Focus on maintaining a controlled movement throughout the exercise to maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Additionally, consult a fitness professional if you have any pre-existing conditions or concerns before starting any new exercise routine.